What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, we're doing Chapter 11, Problem 5 in the Fundamentals of Physics textbook, 8th edition by Gerald Walker, Halliday, and Resnick. Chapter 11 is all about rolling torque and angular momentum, and in particular, number 5 talks about a hoop, and we are asked to find how much work is required to stop it, given certain specifications. So we know that work is equal to the change in kinetic energy, which is equal to the final kinetic energy minus the initial kinetic energy. And since our loop is coming to a stop, it will not have any final velocity. Its final velocity will be 0, which means that the final kinetic energy will also be 0. So work is going to be equal to the negative of the initial kinetic energy. And we know that the total kinetic energy is equal to K translational plus K rotational. And so we can further expand that. So translational is 1/2 mv squared, and rotational is 1/2 I omega squared. And for a loop, the inertia is equal to mr squared, and omega is equal to v over r. The issue is we have a translational and a rotational, and we want everything in terms of translational. That's why these values are important. So we can plug these in now, and we will get 1/2 mv squared plus 1/2, plug in our inertia, and then our omega. And then we can expand that out to say 1/2 mv squared plus 1/2 mr squared times v squared over r squared. And now we can cancel out our r squareds. So this equals 1/2 mv squared plus 1/2 mv squared, which that together makes just an mv squared. So this is equal to mv squared, and we have those two values, so we can plug those in. 140 times 0.15 squared, and that is equal to 3.15 joules, and that is equal to our initial kinetic energy. But as we see up here, work is equal to the negative of that initial kinetic energy, so work is equal to negative 3.15 joules. Alright, so that's it for this problem. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question about something I did or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.